Unbelievable. 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 That's crazy, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm really a little bit upset here because I was making the pizzas, I was making the dough. I'm not able to find the yeast anywhere. I mean, how can be there is no yeast at the store? It's crazy. These days, it's crazy. What I'm going to show you in this video today is how to never finish your yeast. Yes, from one little piece, yes, you can make multiple pieces, and this way you're never gonna finish the yeast. So this video is about how to make the yeast to never end. Yes, guys, it's possible to never end the yeast at home. This way, you're not gonna have any more problem like I had today. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. I mean, I need yeast. I have only 20 grams. I need 40. I cannot do whatever I need to do. So, today, enjoy this video. Wait. And of course, I'm gonna make it the most easiest possible for you. Yes, because this is very simple and easy. Just follow the whole video. It's possible to create from a little bit to create unlimited yeast. I hope you'll enjoy this video because this is something that nobody's tell you. I'm here to let you know how to do it and how to make it. So please now, guys, it's time to subscribe if you are not a subscriber yet, and leave a like. Let's go. This is fresh yeast. So let's see what we need. Let me explain to you very quickly what we need and what we are talking about. So this is fresh yeast, and this is 25 grams, and this one is the water that we're gonna need it, 25 grams. So you need equal parts of yeast and water. So yeast and water always the same. Let's say you have 20 grams, it needs to be 20 grams of water. 50 grams, 50 grams of water. Now, the tricky part is the flour. So I'm gonna make it really easy. Write down this because always it needs to be the same thing. You have to do 2.2 grams times 25. That means 55 grams of flour. So basically, let's go back. Simply, we have 55 grams of flour, 25 grams of fresh yeast, and 25 grams of water. I'm doing fresh yeast because fresh yeast is the most very hard thing to find here in the United States. So when you find a little bit, make sure you get it, and then thanks to this video, you're not gonna finish anymore the yeast. So that's why I'm really very excited because I'm happy to tell you this secret today, and then I'm happy because you are going to be happy and thinking about me. Anyway, let's go back a little bit. Now 2.2 times 25 equals 55. So that means, let's say you have 50 grams of yeast that you want to save it for later. You want to make it unlimited. Unlimited why? You get, let's get there later, one thing at a time. So, let's say you have 50 grams. We do 50 grams of fresh yeast, 50 grams of water. Now we have to do 2.2 times 50. It's very simple. 2.2 times 50 equals, I'm gonna write it down here somewhere. Yeah, let's do it here, the math. 2.2 times 50 equals this number. Yes, so today we are going to do 25 grams with 25 grams of water and 55 grams of flour. 0, guys, very important. 0. But if you have 0, go with 0. Why 0 is because this is the weakest flour, weak flour of all the flours. that means it's going to take less time to ferment. That's why we need to slow down the fermentation. So we get there too. So make sure you watch this video all the way because it's very important. So let's see first how to do this. Is this clear? If it's clear to you, leave a thumbs up. Let's help me to reach this video to at least 5,000 likes. Let's go. So hopefully I didn't miss anything. Yes, we can start. There we go. So let's take a bowl just like that, and then we need a little spatula and a little spoon. So let's go ahead and let's put the water in first. Then you need to put the yeast inside. So make sure the yeast needs to be really good. It needs to be melted really well with the water. So it's gonna become one liquid thing. Like you can see here, the yeast needs to be melted really well. And don't worry about it because it will melt. Next time I'm going to show you with the dry yeast. Very interesting, the one with dry yeast. So let's do first this one. And guys, this is very important. I did so many tests, I had to come out with something for you. And this is it, and this is the video. I'm very excited. Oh my god. I'm very excited for you when you're going home and you're gonna make this. Probably Chef Francis is gonna see this, is gonna say, oh man, I have to do this too. There we go. So now make sure it's melted really well. Just like that, it's gonna become like a water. Now we're ready to go ahead and put there we go. We're ready to go ahead and put the flour. Let's add the flour little by little. There we go. Now let's mix everything until we do it with the spatula, and then after we're gonna work it out a little bit with your hands, because it's very important to take everything. There we go. So now we are ready to work a little bit with the spoon, because it's more hard. That's where we take everything. So now detach everything from the bowl, and let's work it out this one on the counter where you work. So now let's work our yeast with your fingers. You're gonna take every single gram of the flour. You'll notice that it's all together when there's no more flour, when you don't see any more flour. Make sure to mix it up really well. And I can say now that our yeast is ready. So basically, there we go. Voila, take a look. Looks like a Play-Doh. Okay guys, now I want to show you something that from 25 grams, how much... Che c'è papino? Vieni qua. Oggi abbiamo fatto il lievito che non ho trovato a casa, non ho trovato a negozio, papà. Lo sai? Yes, she's waiting for the pizza. And was no yeast. So... yeah, I enjoy this video, eh. So, aspetta, no, questa non è una pallina, questo è il lievito, papà. Questo è il lievito che serve per fare la pizza, che andremo a fare molto presto. She thinks it's a little ball. Anyway, okay, guys, I was saying, from 25 grams we made, I show you together how much we made. Vieni giù. Let's see how much we made out. Boom, 100 grams. Oh shit. Sorry. We made oh man, So sorry guys, okay, whatever. We made 100 we made 100 grams of dry basically we made 100 grams of fresh yeast. This is exactly the same of regular fresh yeast, so that means that you're gonna use the same amount of the regular fresh yeast. Let's say you use 5 grams of fresh yeast to make the dough. This is you take 5 grams, is the same thing, 5 grams. That's the good thing of this this little dough. One thing really important is that the yeast, our fresh yeast, needs to be closed really tight and no air, because once I get the air, it's gonna start to ferment, and we don't want the yeast to ferment. This is very important, so we're gonna close it really well. And another thing very important is to put the yeast right away in the fridge. After only 24 hours is good. So make sure 24 hours in the fridge. After that is good. One more thing is this is good for 10 days. After 10 days you have to do the same thing, and then that's how you go. If you keep it in the freezer, because you can, is good for 3 months. Then you take it out, you put it in the fridge overnight, and then you do the same thing. You basically refresh it, but usually I don't recommend it to refresh it. So make a new piece and then you go home. Actually, that's refresh it. Yes, I mean, you go ahead and put more. You make more. So let's say I'm gonna use 20 grams tomorrow. Good. Take off 20 grams and then I do the same thing. This way I have more and more and more, and this never ends. And more, and this never ends. How nice was this video, guys? How nice was this tip? Comment below and tell me what you think, because I wanna know from you. Let's close this yeast first. Before it gets too much at room temperature, and that's a problem. So see, I'm gonna close it really tight. The less air is possible. That's it. And make sure no holes on the yeast. This is fresh yeast, no holes. There we go. Now you'll see after 24 hours this is gonna be the color exactly of the fresh yeast. Maybe in another video I'm going to show you when I make the dough with this yeast. But you tell me if you want to see that video with a comment below. Let me put this in the fridge. Voila. I put it in the fridge. Now it's your turn to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. Every week 2 videos, and Sundays, every Sunday 11 o'clock I go live with a new recipe. Thank you so much from my Stati Iacopelli, and hope you like this video. Thank you so much for taking the time for watching this video, and see you at the next one. Ciao!